Good afternoon. Today I am Shubhankar Iswankar, student of first year Electrical Engineering Department of Bajaj Institute of Technology Varda, going to present a model on automatic rain gauge. Since India is a predominantly agricultural country and three-fourths of the population mainly depends on agriculture. Agriculture mainly requires rainfall, for which the country depends on monsoon. But the variation of monsoon differ from place to place. For example, I observed sometimes in Silukati area there is no rainfall at all. But in RV area there is heavy rainfall is there. So in this way the distribution of rain differ place to place and it is unequally distributed. So for effective agriculture, there is a need of detailed records of rainfall patterns. But the issue is the rainfall records available from meteorological department are too general in nature and also they do not reflect micro details. These records are manually developed. So by considering all these aspects, I have made an attempt to develop an automatic rain gauge which can be used by any local farmer for getting detailed rainfall records and which will be useful for him for effective agriculture. So let's move towards construction of automatic rain gauge. This is this is the funnel which will be kept at a desired place outside the home so as the rainwater can be collected inside this funnel. To the funnel there is a tube connected with this vertical cylinder. In this cylinder there are some thermocol sheets which are attached to the rod along with the pen. The sheets which are attached to the rod will perform the work of level indicator of collected rainwater. The pen attached with this vertical rod will be able to draw the graph on this cylinder. So with the help of this pen, we can easily plot the graph of rainfall versus time using it. So for example, I took 500 ml of water in this jar and poured it inside this funnel. So as the water level rises inside this cylinder, the rod will go up and along with it we can easily plot the graph as shown here. So as we can see here the plotted graph, then I will draw two axes. First one is rainfall axis, that is y axis, and this one is x axis, that is time axis. So rainfall, so this is rainfall and this is time. So this is rainfall versus time graph. So how can we calculate the amount of rain? So for this we can take just like two intervals here and we'll take small time, that is del t, and accordingly on y axis we will take another two coordinates and this will give us delta v, that is volume. So by the nature of this graph we can easily say that in how much amount of time this much volume or amount of rainwater is collected. So with the help of this rainfall versus time graph we can assume the pattern of rainfall. So finally, some of the advantages of this model. First of all, this model is developed by locally available materials, so it is economically viable. Secondly, it also does not cause any pollution or harm to the environment. It does not require any energy source continuously. Then it also does not require any high level of scientific knowledge to perform. It can be easily performed by any local farmer. This prototype is developed for 1 minute, so it can be developed for any time interval according to our need for 1 hour, 1 day or 1 year by adjusting the number of teeth of driven wheel of the watch machine. The average cost of all these model equipments combined is up to 100 rupees, minimum 100 rupees. Thank you.